Hello everybody, welcome back to Allotment 25. I am truly grateful for your continued support. I really appreciate it. As I promised on the last video, I'd give you an update on the Kodus and the Fathi Laows. But before I do that, I have a surprise in store. Come with me guys. Do you remember this? No? Well, go to my Instagram page at allotment.25 and you can remind yourself, but let me just zoom out. Get ready for this. Yes, it survived. Look at that. Amazing. It's the sunflower that got damaged in the wind by the bench. Look at it. It's thriving. Amazing. All the way from there to up here, and look on the top. Wow. Hopefully we're gonna get a big sunny, bright sunny face up there. Mabsy, you should be proud, mate. You and I, we've done a good job with this. Before I move on to the Kodus, let me just show you what the chili plants are doing. Look at this. Look, we have some chilies here. I mean the plants, they're not massive, but look, 1, 2, 3, 4 I can count on this one. On the second one, I don't think there are any chilies, but look guys, they're about to pop out soon. Oh actually look, at the bottom there, you got a few there. Wow, excellent work, keep it up. Let's move over to the Kodus now. Right here next to the chili plant, look. See that? Still young, but it's looking good. I've got a few varieties here. Oh, let me actually also give you an update. Look, it worked. It climbed up, and look at that, all over the top. It's gone up the strings. That one at the end, struggling, but it's making its way. But isn't that beautiful? I've got two types of Laos here, so I'll show you both. But let me show you the Mishti ones first. There's quite a few. They're all fairly small. Here, look, there's a little baby one. There's another one here. I'm going to do my best not to disturb them because they don't like to be disturbed. Look, 2 on this vine. Look at that here. This is a fairly decent sized one. Let me take you inside. I'm going to try my best not to step on the vines. Look at that guys. Can you see those two? Next to its flowers. By the way, I gave those flowers to Abdul Shalim. He was telling me, him and his whole family, they loved them. They did similar to what we did. Shallow fry them in a light batter. So yeah guys, I'm so glad you enjoyed them. Look, more Laos. So these ones that I'm showing you right now, they are all Mishti Kodus. Like I said, they're all very small, but hopefully another 3 weeks maybe they should be ready for harvest. Yeah, this one is going up this post, but at a snail pace. So those were the Kodu Laos, the Mishti Kodu. Let me show you the other variety that I've got here as well. These are all next to one another. Here we go. Can you see it? No? There. So it looks like a butternut squash, but I'm reliably told by Bilkis that it's a more traditional one that we get in Bangladesh. I don't really know the name of the variety, but we'll see. I've got quite a few coming along. There's a fairly little one there. And there's another one. There's not many of these other variety. Let me see if I can find one more. Ah, here we are. Can you see that? No, you can't. There you go. That's a little bit more rounder. Maybe because it's slightly confined. Let's go over to the Fathi Laow inside the Sangari, and I'll show you how they're getting on as well. Let's walk over together. Look at that Fathi Laow flower. Beautiful white flowers everywhere. Fathi Laow, they are still fairly young. Let me show you what they look like. Here we go. I don't know if you can see it from that angle. That's better. There's about 3 or 4 of them that I've seen so far. But again, with everything, every time I come here, I always find something new. These are at an early stage. They're not fully developed, which is pretty obvious, but I'm hoping another 3-4 weeks maybe, and you see the end result. Trust me, these will look amazing. Look at the vines, they're going up. They've climbed all the way to the top. Amazing, isn't it? And I think they're going to carry on doing this as well. So proud. Before I call it a day today, I've got 2 more surprises for you. You're going to love these. Come with me, guys. This is my melon plant. I think last time I showed you, I said there was 1 or 2 flowers. Well, as you can see, look, flowers everywhere. But more importantly, we don't just have flowers. Look at this. Can you believe it? That is a little baby melon. That's correct, a melon in the UK. Well done, Allotment 25. Not just 1. 2, 3. There's another one here. Oh, that's a little baby one. A baby shark. Look, another baby shark. And another one here. Look at the vines. They're going everywhere. Brilliant. I'm so impressed with these melons. Hopefully, when it's time to harvest them, they'll be nice and sweet. Let me show you the final surprise, guys. Come and join me, guys. Come with me. Chili plants looking okay. I don't see any chilies, but early days. Remember this patch? The patch that I redone with the handy cultivator where we dug? Well, as you can see, the radish, they haven't survived. Sad. I think this one might be okay, but yeah. Look, this side they're gone. But look at these. Look at these, guys. Oh my God. Aren't these ones doing great? These are the Duggies or the Lal-Shag. It's one or the other. But these guys are thriving. Every single one of them. Awesome. Gonna enjoy eating these ones. That's it for another episode. It was short but sweet. Once again, thank you for joining me. I'm truly grateful. As always, I would appreciate it if you could give me a like, share and subscribe. Let's grow this channel together. As always, take care, look after yourself, and I'll see you soon. All the best. Bye-bye.